Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Past Continuous Tense. In this lesson, we will talk about a structure of past continuous tense, examples and usage. Lecture 26, Rule 1. Let's discuss about the topic. A structure of past continuous tense in the affirmative or positive form of sentence. If we have the subjects like he, she, it, and also I, and similar noun, then we use was plus first form of the verb with ing, and then we have objects or other words. Let's see the examples of past continuous tense. He was closing the door. She was cooking food. It was raining that time. Rani was writing a book. I was driving a car. Now we move on to the next stage, that is a structure of past continuous tense in the negative form of sentence. In this case, if we have the subjects like he, she, it, and also I, and then singular noun, we use was not, and the short form is wasn't, then plus first form of the verb with ing, and then we have objects or other words. Like for examples, he wasn't helping the poor. She wasn't making a cake. It wasn't working well. Tom wasn't riding a bicycle. I wasn't driving a car. We move on to the next stage, that is to say a structure of past continuous tense in the question or interrogative form of sentence. In this case, the helping verb comes first before the subjects, and we write it with capital letter W with capital letter was, and then we have subjects like he with a small letter, she, it, or I, and singular noun. Then we have the first form of the verb with ing, and then we have objects or other words. Let's see the examples. Was he teaching English? Was she talking to her friend? Was it working well? Was Tom reading a book? Was I driving a car? Now we move on to the past continuous tense in the interrogative form of sentence with question words like why, when, how, where, what, who. In this case, the question words will come first before helping verbs. How? Let's see the examples. Why was he traveling to London? What was she cooking? When was it going to happen? Where was Tom going by a car? Why was I talking to my friend? And so on. Now, let's see the usage of past continuous. And the first usage is an action which was going on in the past, which continued in the past, which progressed in the past. That is why sometimes we also say it past progressive tense. Let's see the examples. He was reading a book. She was cooking food. Tom was playing football. It was raining then, in the past of course. And I was watering plants. So what we notice in all these sentences, an action continued in the past, went on in the past, progressed in the past. Therefore, we call it past continuous tense or past progressive. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.